What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're going to be drawing Felix from Roblox. Let's get started at the top of our page and draw a large half circle for the head. Start over on the left side, and curve this up, round up the head, go across and then down on the right side. And then we'll draw the eyebrows along the top of the half circle. We're going to start over on the left, start with a straight line coming in, line this up on the right, go all the way out. And then we'll flatten off the inside and outside with a short line. Let's close off the top. Go all the way across. And then we'll fill the eyebrows in black. And now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. We're going to start over on the left. We're going to step in, draw a circle. Going around towards the bottom of the eye. And we'll just pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. All the way around towards the same height. Go out and up. And we'll draw two smaller circles on the inside edge of the eyes for the pupil. Let's start on the left. Go all the way around. And pull that back in. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. And now we're going to move to the center of the head and draw another circle for the muzzle. We'll start right in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and pull that back up towards the top. And then at the top of the muzzle, we're going to draw that same size circle we have for the pupils for the nose. Move all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up, and then we'll fill the nose in black. And we'll add three thick whiskers on either side. Let's start from the side of the muzzle. Start with a straight line going out. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to thicken this up. Start with a short line coming down the sides. And pull that back in. Let's fill those in black. And we'll add two more on either side. One going up and then one coming down. So we step up and go up and out. Flatten out the ends, and then pull that back in. Then again, we'll fill those in black. And we'll add one more pointing down. Let's add those 2 points on the side of the head. We're going to start on the left, and go down and out. And then we'll pull that back down and in towards the side of the head. And we'll connect the outside with another curve. Starting back on the left, come down, in towards the middle, go out and up on the right. And we'll add that seam across the side of the head. Start from the inside of the top whisker. I'm just going to curve this out and then down. Let's go all the way back up to the top and add in the ears. We're going to start by lining up with the center of the eye, going up towards the top of the head, and go up and out. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll angle down and in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside, leaving an even spaced gap all the way around. Now the beret is going to sit on top of the head and behind the ears. Let's start from the bottom of the ear on the left side, curve it out, and then up, and round up the end of the hat, go up, and all the way across towards the right side. Let's round at the top, come down, and then in behind the ear. I'm also going to add a fold along the bottom edge of the hat, starting back over on the left, curve up, and then down on the right. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve. Let's go to the center of the body, step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up towards the toe. Let's round out the top of the foot. We're going to start on the outside. We're going to curve up. We're going to round out the foot and just aim towards the heel. We're going to leave a gap on the inside. Let's move back up to the hips and draw the side of the leg. Starting from the left, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's move up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. Starting right here, curve the inside edge of the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we draw a half circle, coming in and then back out for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add in the fingers. We start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and then up around the bracket. Step down, go out and up. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, and just pull that up and in toward the top of the body. And the third finger going out, up, and then we'll bend that in. And now we're going to add the wristband. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve up and then out. And we'll step up and draw that same curve coming in on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Felix from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.